Unraveling the Phrase Toss-up. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we'll dive deep into the English language and unearth the meaning and usage of the phrase toss-up. This term might sound playful, and it indeed has an interesting origin. Stay tuned. The term toss-up originates from the action of tossing a coin into the air and predicting which side it will land on. The result is uncertain. It could be heads or tails. This act is commonly used to make a decision when the outcome is unsure, like choosing between two equally preferable or undesirable choices. In everyday English, toss-up is used figuratively to describe a situation where the outcome is uncertain or almost equally probable. It means that it's hard to predict or decide between two or more options because they're closely matched or equally appealing. Example: it's a toss-up between the two teams. Both have an equal chance of winning the championship. To enrich your vocabulary, it's good to know words or phrases that convey similar meanings. Synonyms for toss-up include coin flip, even match, 50-50 chance. You might often hear or see toss-up in contexts like sports commentaries, where teams or players have nearly equal chances of winning, or during discussions where decisions are hard to make because of closely matched options. And there you have it. Now you not only know the meaning of toss-up, but also its origins and context in which it's used. Remember, language is an ever-evolving tool. The more phrases and idioms you know, the richer your conversations become. We hope this explanation clarified things for you, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay curious.